Okay. Who do we call first, Modwina or Anna?
I thought it would take longer, actually. I was actually feeling sorry for Cleo. I had to love something too. It's your fault.
No!
Absolutely your fault.
It's so funny! It's so funny. Look at that.
He's taking charge now.
Water?
She's even gone to drink her water.
Yeah, it's much better than yours, Stella.
Are they drinking water now? No. You give them an inch and they take a mile. Look at them. Cleo. She's turning away. No, she's very happy with them now. I love it.
I'm not very good as an artist. So.
No, it's perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you.
They put little dots and then it looks all like hearts.
It actually, that looks more artistic. Thank you.
Modern art, yeah.
Thank you. Look at them. Let's see, Cleo at home is very good with them as well.
Come here.
Want somebody chewing?
Ooh, who is it? Who is it? It's Jersey Girl.
Sorry?
I hope I can send you this video. I hope it worked.